अर्पण या NGOन गोंयांतल्या शिक्षकां खातीर बाल संरक्षणाचेर प्रशिक्षण दिवपी शिबीर घेतले। भुरग्यांचेर जावपी लैंगिक अत्याचार हे अत्याचार कशे आडावप हाचेर उपाय सांगलो। भुरग्यांक हे विशीं म्हायती आसप भोव गरजेचें। गोंयांत सध्या भुरग्यां वयले अत्याचार वाडत आसात, बरीच भुरगीं शिकार जातात, अर्पणच्या श्रद्धा जाधवान सांगले।
So Arpan basically works on the child sexual abuse, and main focus is the prevention of children from child sexual abuse. So basically we provide the personal safety education to the school going children. For example, we cover the 1st to 10th standard student, and through that program we tell them about what is the safe unsafe touch, and if you are stuck in any kind of unsafe situation, then what you have to do. So basically we develop the personal safety program, and all this program is basically main is provided on the life skill program. So through this program children can empower themselves, and if they can find any kind of unsafe situation, they can prevent or they can get away from that unsafe situation. At the same time we also tell the adult what is your role, and as a responsible citizen of India what we can do to keep children safe at all the time. Okay, so currently we are doing the training with the teachers in Goa block in Goa state, and through this program we cover around total 3,200 teachers, and through this program we cover around 1,600 schools. So this is the one-day training program which is scheduled for all the teachers, and currently we are doing this training for the 12 blocks of the Goa. And इस ट्रेनिंग से जो भी टीचर्स हैं उनको पता चलेगा कि बच्चों को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं। As we all understand, this is the most sensitive topic, and thousands of children are undergone through the sexual abuse. So it is our responsibility that as a responsible citizen of India, or as being a caregiver or parents of any children, it is our role that we have to be aware about what is the child sexual abuse, how we can prevent this incident, and how comfortably we are create the safe place for the children. So in that situation children, if any child face any kind of unsafe situation, then child can reach out to us anytime and share their incident with you. At the same time we also know about how to handle the disclosure in a proper way, and always we have to tell student or tell children that if anything happen with you, it is never your fault. So this is the most important message that we can give to children, so they can feel safe at all time.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिक्स, दितिक्षा गांवकर आनी शिवानी सांगेलकर।